Alright, it is Modeling here, and I am going to replace the Dpmf sensor on my 2001 Ford Ranger today. Check engine light came on and gas mileage went down by a little bit. So I went ahead and scanned it, I got the code, and then I'm basically just replacing that part. I looked into it before and I actually made sure that the sensor itself was bad, instead of just, something else going bad and causing that code. But I already did all that, and today I'm just going to be replacing it. So it's pretty simple actually. Looks like it's just 2 bolts, connector, and then 2 hoses down there. I'm not sure which goes to which, but I'll figure that out. Alright, started to take it apart. It was, what just fell? That was probably a socket I will never see again. Nope, I see it. Alright, it was 2 7mm bolts. There's this connector, which you just push the tab in and pull back. And then there's these hoses. Just take probably pliers to them, wiggle them back and forth, and they'll pull straight off. I made sure that the sensor was grounded. I made sure it had voltage, and I made sure that I did not have an actual clog in the system causing that code. So we're all good there. The sensor should fix it. Out with the old and in with the new. Now, what you want to do is, when you have the old one out, you want to make sure those 2 hoses right there, you clean off the ends and the insides of them. And the connector here, you want to make sure there's no corrosion in there, and you want to make sure it's all nice and clean for going back together. Alright, it is all on there, it's plugged in, hoses are on. If you can't tell, one's a lot smaller than the other, so when you're going together it kind of tells you what you need to do. So I would try and start it, but it's been sitting for a minute and the battery's dead, so I'm going to jump it or charge it or something, and I'll be right back. Alright, and I got the car running, and there is no check engine light, so we're doing good. Alright, and that is how you replace the Dpmf sensor on a 2001 Ford Ranger. It goes the same for pretty much all the other Rangers and all the other 3-liter engines, so there you go. I hope it helps somebody out. One last thing, I just had it running for a while to charge the battery up, and I smelled coolant. So I look around the radiator, I look underneath the car, and there we go. She needs a freaking radiator. So looks like I'm doing that soon. Fuck yeah.